Welcome back, everybody. We're going to do some work to the GMC today.
Woo!
Look how much the suspension goes down when I step on it.
It didn't move. So today's plan is to replace this new piece of junk with an older piece of junk.
Yes. Alright, so we just have to pull this wheel off. Get that nut off, I guess.
That is the wildest C-clip I've ever seen in my life. If I wasn't such a hoarder, I'd say we should keep that.
Wow. We should.
Oh no, is this one of those things that takes somebody's eye out?
I think so. Oh man.
Doink. Or it makes a really cool noise and then we never see it again.
Yeah. I don't know. It's fighting. I didn't put this on, so I don't know how to. Oh, just like that.
That was easy.
It's building up to something crazy, and then all of a sudden it's pop. Oh, I guess. Oh shit.
Yeah.
I was like, I guess I failed, but it worked.
It is rare that you fail guessing. Like, you normally get it. We're like, oh, that's a 19 millimeter. And you're like, no, it's not. That's a what is happening?
I don't know what's going on right now. It's not supposed to be this easy.
If I don't cut this video, it's going to look like miracles are happening.
But the crazy part is it's going to be easy till we get over to the truck, and then we're just going to...
Oh, yeah.
Although, that's a 1986 Fiero steering column. And we're going to go work on the 2000 and something...
2011
truck,
bus.
And it's not going to work.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's the 2011. Yeah. I need. This is where it all goes to hell. I need you to hold it while we yank it.
Yeah.
You hold the wheel and then I'll smack the center of it. Usually you can just yank them off, but
I've seen so many people punch themselves in the face, including myself.
they say the one true worthy mechanic can just come up and.
He's the chosen one.
Should we take this tack too?
Yeah. What a silly question. But am I going to take it off the right way?
Oh, come on. It's an 8 millimeter. Proof that Andrew does something every once in a while. Oh, it's a 7.
Yeah.
I forgot it's a Fiero, so everything's a 7. Body.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the body's held down with 7s, and engine was held in with a 7.
That's crazy, because the only time I ever used a 7 millimeter before this, you know what I'm going to say. It's the ECU bolt.
Oh, yeah.
On LS.
Perfect. Look at you go, dude. You can throw that out.
You don't want to save it?
I don't want anything to do with the Fiero.
So, what are you going to do with that?
It's mine.
Well, yeah, but...
I don't know. We'll put it in something. But now we can throw that column out.
Yes.
It's so bad. Like, I'd give it to someone that had a Fiero, but it's so bad it just wobbles around. So. Yeah. Once the wheel's on there, it's just like...
It's like a permanent tilt column.
So we'll pull the nut off of that thing, and then we'll...
Yeah, we'll pull the nut off of that thing.
Yep. I hate these.
Airbags or the releases on them? Yeah, they're terrible.
I can never... I usually get the first one, and then I struggle my whole life with the second one.
Get this also.
My thing is we'll destroy it, and then...
It won't go on. Yeah. Alright, so if you guys want to know how to take off one of these airbags,
two little
look it up in a different video.
Yeah, people that actually know what they're doing. Alright guys, I give up. I don't even like you.
Not the fans.
Ah! Okay. None of that happened. Let's get to it. So I just gotta get that nut off.
Okay. Oh, you guessed right again.
It was the same size as the other one. I just grabbed the bigger one just in case.
Nice. Good job, Snap-on.
Yeah, for once. Oh, you gotta yank it out of them.
Oh, the clips. The clippies.
Yeah. Oh, shit. Alright.
You gotta take the spring clock off.
The clock spring?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold on, let me get it real quick. All this came apart so easy, I just don't even understand.
I feel like you've done this before.
Oh, it cut me.
Jesus.
Real good, too. It's like, that's what you get!
Why will you learn?
Alright, where's the new wheel?
Did you make sure your wheel was straight first?
You know, I was just thinking that. I fucked up. I didn't put it straight.
It just has to go to the right a little bit. Do you need a Band-Aid?
No. I do need a rag, though. Alright.
There's a really wet towel back here.
Ooh, so am I.
Here.
Yo, is this wheel bigger than the other wheel?
It looks like it.
No, so don't. Oh, well, maybe.
So, the part about straightening the wheel,
Uh-huh.
did you want to do that?
Yeah. Thanks.
Actually, it's pretty straight.
So, what would happen if we just ram this sucker on? I was thinking, though, if we ever have to get this back off. Oh, I mean, it turns. Should we loosen it and see how much it went on?
Nice. Right.
I mean, it's on quite a bit. Should we get all this out from behind it?
Would it go down further if it did?
I think so.
It looks like you're going to run into that metal tab on the top of the column pretty soon.
There we go. Nice. There we go.
Look at all the pieces go.
Yeah.
What about that?
I think we gotta leave this.
What about that white plastic thing?
What about it? That was perfect. Literally just ding. Okay, so I'm thinking while we're here, maybe I can take this off.
You don't need
and put the and put the new one on, because the reason I didn't do it was I couldn't get to that.
Oh, perfect.
So, I got him in my.
Wait, we're actually going to make something better?
Yes.
That's wild.
Oh, I don't want to break that. Oh, yuck.
Greasy.
It's greasy green.
Greases.
Yeah, because this piece got to slide out. That's the lock. Isn't that crazy? That's the steering wheel lock. Okay, now I can get those three pieces. Yeah.
You ever think what would life be like as a mechanic?
Sucks. Okay, here we go.
Plenty of room now. Don't nobody move. Mm-hmm.
Yep. This for you.
Okay.
I gotta figure out how to get the wiring not out of the gauge hole.
Yeah.
So when we get gauges.
Well, you're going all out on this build. Gauges, working ignition. Well, not really. You still have the starter wired up to a random positive, don't you?
No, that's why I said we'll fix that while we're here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah. We'll
That's
find
exciting.
out what wire it is and
Ooh.
fix it.
Isn't it like orange?
It's,
Oh.
it's usually purple. I need to save that because that actually works now. It ain't gonna work by the time we get done, I'll tell you that much.
We're going to probe the back of the connectors here so that we can find out which one of them is actually talking to this one.
Yeah, so this was the original that had went down to it, but for some reason it lost signal to everything. So I ran that new wire. Now I just got to figure out where to put it to make it actually work.
Yeah.
Push button.
With the security lock. I mean, I guess once we have it in line,
Work. All
yeah,
it needs is time to trigger.
you already go past it. Yeah, so why didn't we hook it up to the original ignition?
That's a good idea, I think. So it was the yellow wire off of that provides power. So we have a yellow wire on
perfect.
purpose.
Yeah, definitely on purpose.
Okay, I need some cutters then.
These terrible things.
Yeah, I'm like, grab the blue ones. He's like, good thing I'm colorblind, bitch. Oh.
Jeez, should not take a couple chew-throughs to get through that. I hate those connectors, personally.
These ones, yeah, they're not great.
I'd rather twist the wires together and tape them.
Oh my goodness. You're the one that's been doing all that, you sicko.
No, I solder things when they're for me.
Well, if you want to twist those together out there, then we'll test it.
I certainly won't use a house connector. Okay.
Alright, so
There's
in theory...
there's a lot of stuff on the bed, so don't move.
I was gonna start it.
Are you in drive?
I'm in park. In theory, it should just start up.
And it did.
Remember all the stuff on the bed? It's gone. So that's nice. I don't have to go out there every time now. And
Yeah.
I honestly don't care too much. Well, oh man, that kind of sucks. I didn't think about that.
That it's behind the steering.
It's behind the
column.
dang column. I don't really care that much that I have to reach over here and start it. Put it here.
Yeah. Yeah. That's a bigger hole though.
So once this thing's tuned and unlocked to the ECU, I think we could just rewire it and be done. If I was like, went all out and got the harness converted, 90% of this stuff would be gone.
Yeah.
It literally would just be the engine harness to, you know, the wiring like standalone.
What?
But for now, this is much better. Should we...
I kind of like it up there.
Should we put the wheel?
Or move it over to whatever that monster is.
This is what holds my gauge cluster.
Yes, I see that.
Okay.
But you want to put the old key hole in it?
I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Alright, let's throw this back on.
What? Oh yeah, the whole point of this video.
Yeah.
Getting long in the day. It must be like 10 o'clock now.
Yeah, we need Mountain Dews.
We do have a bunch.
I have some.
Yeah.
After I jam this sucker out.
Yep, this jam nut.
This is the weakest gun that they make, so
Same, like holy cow.
I know it won't strip it, so. Ying! Anyways, oh cool, that works. Oh, you want to grab that other wheel? I feel like this is bigger. Identical. I feel like this is identically bigger. No,
I think it's just set off more.
Oh, maybe. I don't know. I mean, I don't mind it. I kind of like it the way it is.
I wonder how many more threads you could go through.
This feels better though to me. It's thinner.
Yeah, I like
It's
the smaller wheel.
The only thing, maybe we'll make a cover for this. I don't know. I mean, it looks so
Yeah.
mechanical.
Je ne sais quoi.
Well, that still works. This should still work. Let's see. We'll
What do you think?
we can see if it works on the gauges.
Oh.
Alright, where's my key? I guess we have to start it, don't we? So, put it in chassis. Yep. Alright, good. Awesome. And then we'll... Woo! Good, everything works.
Tow haul manual shift. Holy cow, it's a race truck.
So, if we want to go one step further, we can find out which one of these fuses. It's because I put it in gear, so we can find out which one of these fuses comes on with the ignition, and then we can plug in the lift pump.
Oh.
Yeah, and then
Wow.
it will be much better. We can do that right now.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll go get some Mountain Dew.
Thanks, bud.
For myself.
This video, we're gonna put a steering wheel in, and then we do like finish the whole
Everything.
truck.
Whole truck.
This is why I can't make videos. I suck at them. Hey, do you have a razor blade? I'm gonna get rid of this
Oh, really?
floppy piece. It doesn't do anything at all.
Don't break it now.
I should have just pulled it off when this was off.
Just take it out there.
Huh?
Hey, you'll literally finish that before I go get a razor blade.
I thought you were getting Mountain Dew, you sicko.
I am, but you're not going to record yourself.
Oh. I do all the time. I don't know what you're talking about.
Hey, did you film any of that painting? No.
What painting? That car was that color when I picked it up, I swear. Yeah.
See, we're all done.
I like how I leave the knife in my hand though, so if anything happens, I just stab myself.
Right in the chair.
Okay. So while Andrew was doing what he was doing, what were you doing?
I went and I got cheese wheels and Mountain Dew.
Alright. While he was getting refreshments, I found out this fuse turns on with the key. So, pull that out. We already got a 10 in there, I guess, from the last time we did this. And I'm going to shove this in there. like so. And then in theory, when I turn the key on, ooh, works. So then we'll just... And this thing's gonna function like a regular truck by the time we get done.
Holy cow.
It changes the whole tone of the truck, I think.
Yes.
Now it looks way more raggedy. I love it. Cool, well that's awesome. I like it.
Celebratory dues and cheese.
I like it. Alright, we're gonna take a break. So, we're gonna call it a day on this episode, and I hope you enjoyed. We got the new wheel, we got, well, this is free, and we don't have a steering wheel lock anymore, so that's kind of nice.
Yeah.
Although, that might come in handy one day.
Of course.
Oh man, maybe we should put it back.
Nah.
Well, alright, well, whatever.
If we need it, we'll save it.
Andrew, no, we're not doing shit. Well, all I have to do is put it like this.
Did we actually show them the reason why it didn't get mounted?
Oh, well, it kept jamming up, and it was like when you turn the key, it would stay...
And it's behind the shifter.
Oh, yeah, right here, so it's kind of a pain in the butt. We should do a floor shifter.
I mean...
But then leave this. So
but you'd need an actual floor to do that.
That's next. Well, not in the next video, but that's the next big
It's coming.
thing
It's coming.
So.
Okay, so we got the starter wired up.
Yep.
So it actually works off the ignition. The steering mounted, and the lift pump is actually activated once you turn the key.
Yep.
So ignition on and lift pump goes.
Then we got the tow haul and the...
Tow haul, the gauges
shifting and all
work.
that. Yep.
What a day.
It's a good day.
Alright, we'll see you guys on the next episode, where we're working on... We're going to button up more things on Lightwork.
Yeah, we need to do the fan, and I think we're going to do mount the ECU, and maybe something with the fuse box or something.
Sounds good. We'll see you on the next episode.
Bye. Andrew, I let you touch one thing.
I didn't think you'd notice.
Get out of here, you silly goose.